Hello, everybody. This is Jordy Hernandez, aka RV Tour Guy, and today I have a special video for you guys. This is a 2023 Entegra Motor Coach Accolade 37M. This is what they call a Super C. It is a diesel motorhome. It comes on a S2RV Freightliner custom sport chassis. This is a very well built motorhome. As you can tell on my channel, I am a big fan of Entegra. But yeah, this is the front engine diesel cab chassis. It's one of a kind Super C for motorhomes. This chassis caters to drivers who want the power and performance of a diesel without the cockpit of a convenient Class A. Pulling from the breadth of the bus and truck expertise, the S2RV is the latest in long line of RV specific innovations in the growing list of custom built industry leading chassis, according to Freightliner's chassis. I read that. But yeah, this thing is a beast. The specs, this unit, it comes on a Cummins B6.7 engine. It puts out 360 horsepower. It has 800 pounds of torque, and it is on an Allison 3000 automatic transmission. So this thing moves. It has some power. It's got some towing behind it. This is really one of a kind motorhome. If you are in a position to afford this RV, this is one of the best looking and also one of the best built motorhomes. That's why there's a 2 and 3 year warranty by Entegra. No one else offers this type of quality and protection under any warranty companies. But yeah, this unit comes with the exterior television, beautiful full body paint. I believe they call this paint, don't quote me, I don't know, but it's beautiful. It's stunning. The Moonlight, this is what it is, a Moonlight full body paint. Nice front end or rear fiberglass cap. This unit can tow 12,000 pounds. I left all the options and standard features on the screen above. Just wanted to get my facts right. But yeah, this unit is one of a kind, has a lot of storage. The exterior length is 39 feet 4 inches. The exterior height is 13 feet and 4 inches. Again, it has a towing capacity of 12,000 pounds. It's got 72 gallon freshwater capacity, 50 gallon blackwater capacity. I mean, this is you can do some off-grid camping in this motorhome. You also have a freezer and fridge for the outside, which is super nice, along with the pass-through storage. And yeah, just a lot of room on this motorhome. Considering this is a front-end diesel, it's not going to have as nearly enough space as a Class A diesel that's on a rear engine chassis. So we'll make videos. But yeah, this is still a really nice coach. The tires are 275s, about 80 Rs, 22.5 diameter. I mean, there's not much things to say. I mean, this is a great looking motorhome. It's got the 8,000 watt own-end generator. Really nice. Oh, it has another gray. I'm sorry, I didn't mention the gray tank capacity is 81 gallons. Here's a nice septic system, or the low point drains, or your sewer hose. You can connect there, and then you have the diesel cap, which very well built coach. You also have this electrical reel that you can put in and out. And I love the carpet that they put in the pass-through storage. I know a lot of people have mixed emotion. I think it's a nice touch, very elegant. And yeah, it also has the hole to go run the cable through. But yeah, this is a diesel motorhome, 360 horsepower engine. Let's check out the cab. It has a 100 gallon fuel capacity, so you can go a lot of places, and these chairs are very comfortable. You feel like you're in a semi, and I've heard from clients that own it that these are the safest motorhomes in the market. front engine collisions versus the rear engine collisions face to face. This is the safest option. You have air brakes, you have a rear camera, also nice screen, overhead storage. And as I step up to show you this beautiful living space, we opted this unit with the dual recliners and the dinette that converts into bed. I'm such a fan of Entegra's cabinetry, and no different on the Accolade. These cabinets are very solid. The struts on those are things, I mean, a cabinet won't open on its own on the road, I can tell you that for sure. I love the fact that there's a high gloss finish on the cabinets, along with the countertop, which is, you know, solid surface countertop, elegant countertop, and this can convert into a bed. I just couldn't do it with one hand, you know, you really need two hands. See, I just put it down, you know, I just made sure it was fine. Yeah, has a fireplace, nice electric heater. A lot of storage in this coach. This is a 37M. Big rear slide, or big slide, and this unit also has its elevator. I made sure to put it on 4x speed, otherwise, you know, it'd take a little longer, but super nice touch. And I love the quality of the countertops, along with the quality of the seats, and they all have seat belts. Excuse the noise in the background. I'm currently in my RV making this video, but if you are interested in this RV, call for a price. I work for the Montron RV, home of warranty forever. Family owned and operated dealership since 1950. We've been selling RV since 1970, and we've been offering lifetime warranty since 2014. What is the lifetime warranty, Jordy? Thank you for asking. It covers all your appliances, all your kitchen appliances like your refrigerator, your microwave, your induction stovetop. It covers your ACs, your water heater, your LP gas lines, and a lot of other items for free for no extra charge for forever. Zero deductible to make a claim. You do have to do an annual inspection once a year. You can have a mobile tech do it if you're traveling on the road, or you can bring it to our service center. Normally it's under $250 for service. You do that once a year, and yeah, all these appliances I mentioned are covered. This unit comes with the ice maker, and also on the microwave, it's a convection microwave. They went away from the oven, so they gave you a nice stainless steel microwave. And as I find the keys here, just so I can make sure no one takes those while I'm making this video, you have a washer and dryer combo unit in this unit. And like I said, drawers everywhere. You know, these are all solid cabinet doors, very elegant feel and touch to them. This is a really tall slide. What's up, everyone? But with the slide, you get a bunch of storage. So this is a perfect couples coach if you're full-time and on the road, or even if you wanted to travel with extra people. This unit can sleep up to 6 people. It has enough storage for everyone. This unit also has a nice bed. I forgot what they call it, but the bed tilts, which is super nice. You have to leave it like that when you travel. Big bathroom. Love the white color of the cabinets in this. Shower is super elegant. I love the little touches. I try to see if that was, you know, solid surface, and it was tough. But yeah, this love the white woods in the cabinet. I mean the white cabinets in the bathroom. Here we have this multiplex system. You can control all your lights. You can check your water levels. You can check the voltage of the battery and the chassis, house battery and the chassis. You can check the ACs. This unit has 2 ACs, and then you kind of operate your slide outs. And yeah, so I want to show you the motorhome closed, so you guys can get an idea of, you know, how it looks when you're traveling. So I might speed up the process right now. Alrighty, this is 4x speed closing the slide outs. So when I fully close all the slides, it's going to be very easy to get into the motorhome from the driver's seat to the rear of the coach. But yeah, this is a great motorhome for traveling, making memories. If you folks are interested in this RV, please give me a call. Love to talk to you about it some more. If you have trade-ins, we would love your trade-in. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and we are having a 1,000 subscriber giveaway. So once we reach 1,000 subscribers, I will be giving away some merchandise. So thank you very much. Subscribe to Enter. Have a great day.